Jobber payment failures usually come down to three things: a failed card authorization, a broken payment processor connection, or outdated customer billing details. By the end of this, you'll know exactly where the issue is, how to fix it, and how to stop it from happening again. If Jobber isn't processing payments, the first place to check is the payment status inside the invoice. Open the invoice, scroll to the payment section, and look at the status. If it says pending, the payment gateway hasn't confirmed it yet. If it says failed, Jobber already got a rejection from the customer's bank or card provider. That matters because Jobber itself usually isn't the part rejecting the payment. It's just passing the request through. Start with the payment processor. Go into Settings, then Payments, and confirm your processor connection is active. If you're using Jobber Payments, check if your bank account is still linked and verified. A disconnected payout account can block payment flow entirely. Next, check the customer's card details. Expired cards are one of the most common reasons payments fail. Open the client profile, verify the saved card, and ask the customer to re-enter it if needed. Even one wrong digit or an outdated billing zip code can trigger a rejection. Now, check the invoice itself. If the invoice total was edited after sending, the original payment link can sometimes mismatch with the updated amount. The fix is simple. Cancel the old invoice link and resend the invoice directly from Jobber. If the payment still won't go through, look for browser issues. This sounds small, but cache sessions break checkout pages more often than people think. Open the payment link in an incognito window or another browser. Chrome, Safari, and Edge can all handle embedded payment pages differently. Another thing to check is whether the customer's bank flagged the payment as suspicious. This happens a lot with larger invoices or first-time transactions. The customer may need to approve it manually through their banking app. If none of that works, go to Jobber's payment logs. They usually show the exact error code. That's where you'll see if it's insufficient funds, fraud prevention, or processor downtime. So here's the quick fix list. Check payment status, verify your processor connection, confirm customer card details, resend updated invoices, and test the payment link in another browser. Your next step is simple. Open the failed invoice and work through those 5 checks in order. That solves most payment issues fast. If this saved you time, hit like and subscribe for more Jobber fixes and field service software guides.